Good evening, ma'am. I'm Meldrin Grafil, and now I'm start reporting the respiratory system. The lungs and respiratory system. The function of the lungs is to exchange oxygen from the air to the bloodstream when you breathe in, and carbon dioxide from the bloodstream to the air when you breathe. Like example, kana bitong mga kanang mo inhale bitaw tanya mo exhale mo na gusto ipasabot ni ma'am. And then the next is human have two lungs side by side, but they're not the same size. The left lungs is slightly smaller to make room for the heart. Duha duha ang lungs, but lahi ang left side is mas dako siya kontra sa pikas. And the next, each lung is divided into lobes. The right lungs has 3 lobes and the left is 2. Ang right lungs na ako na si tulo ka lobes and the left is 2. The next is lungs capacity varies depending on the person's size, fitness, and even altitude. And average adult has a 1.5 gallon lang capacity. Magdepende rin ang ato ang lungs kung sa tao nga every this year na ay exercise and then mo take og mga medicine, so musmuhay pa ang iyang capacity sa asa na kung always daw kuno kanang na-exercise ang usa ka tawo, mas muda ko ang iyang lungs capacity of gallon. Pero og like example, smoker ka and then wa kay hago sa adlaw-adlaw, mulow jud ang capacity sa gallon sa imong lungs. And the next is most adults breathe 12 to 20 times per minute, which amounts of 2,900 gallons of air per day. Kung pa ako nakahibaw na, ingana di ay niya, 12 to 20 times per minute. So dali rata. An average person can hold their breath for 2 minutes. Makaya di ay. Ikaw, kuan, makaya ni mo 2 minutes, di ka mo hinga? Kada mapugan ni mo yung paghinga ba? Makaya ni mo 2 minutes?
Kaning mo sabog tubig.
Mao gani. Depende ra pud na sa kanang tawo nga kana bitang way bisyo bitaw kusog jud na ilang pangginhawa og kanang musawm sa tubig, pero kanang pares na hubang nga palahubog na bisyo. That's all. Thank you.
So the respiratory system has 8 parts. The first is the nasal cavity, the space inside the nose that filters, warms, and moistens the air before it enters the lungs. The second is mouth, an alternative passage for air entry, especially during intense activity. Number 3 is throat, connects the nasal and oral activities that throat to the lungs. Number 4 is trachea, a tube that carries air from the throat to the lungs. And 4 is right lung and the left lung, organs responsible for gas exchange where oxygen is absorbed into the blood and carbon dioxide is expelled. And 5 is bronchi, the 2 main airways branching from trachea into each lung. Number 6 is alveoli, is tiny air sacs in the lungs where oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged with blood. And the last one is diaphragm, muscle that helps breathing by contracting and expanding the lungs. So, an average person can hold their breath for 2 minutes. So, depende sa tao if makaya niya dili siya ingon nga kuan jud tanan, pero depende nga makahold ka og breath og within 2 minutes. So the epiglottis is a flap that protects the lungs from food and liquid when we swallow. So importante kaayo ang epiglottis because it restrain na dili ta ma-choke by closing the trachea. It helps also nga makabreathe kag tarong and swallowing without interference. So coughing and sneezing is the respiratory system's mechanism for getting rid of irritants like dust and pollen. Then asthma, it is kanang mo ni example niya sa kuan sakit. It helps example if ang person is may asthma. So allergic sila sa mga dust, sa mga kuan sa mga hangin. So, asthma is a respiratory condition where the airways constrict as a result of an irritant. So, ma-irritate sila or breathing can become difficult nila nga if they have a kanang asthma. So, maglisod sila ginhawa, like kanang na mga abog or sa air bitaw. That's called asthma. Then, a person is still able to live with the only one lung, but their ability to do physical activity is limited. So, ang tao is mabuhi daw with one lang na pero sensitive. So, di siya ingon nga kanang depende sa tao nga makasurvive kag one lang kay kung sensitive lang po sila, then dili sila pwede nga mahago or mga activity nga physical activity bitaw limited ra. So, kuan ang right lung o ang left lung is dili sila pareha ka size, mas dako ang kanang right lung compare sa kanang left lung nga side, kay ang left lung is kanang mo ni kanang na-space sa heart ba, so mas smaller ang left lung compare sa right lung. So because the lungs are the only organs that exchange oxygen and carbon dioxide, it's very important to keep them healthy and clean. So, importante kayo ang kanang i-care na to nga to ang lungs because kanabitong, like example nga manigarilyo bitaw ka, so makadaot yun ang aso sa sigarilyo or mga pollution bitaw. So, if the more nga masikat simhot sa mga aso or sa mga pollution sa kuan is madaot atong lang, so ani sila magpundo. So like example, smoking air pollution damages lung tissue and leads to lung disease like cancer and emphysema. So naa-adjust siya kanang tendency nga magsakit ka kay kanabitong, like example, if ang tao is magsik panigarilyo, then ang second smoke ba ang pinaka the worst nga if mas makuan na to makasakit bitaw kaysa compare sa nanigarilyo jud kay kita mo makalanghap sa aso nila. So isugod jud kayo di jud basta-basta ba nga mo na atong atimanon jud ato ang lungs. Then the study lungs is called pulmonology. So what is pulmonology? Pulmonology is the branch of medicine that focuses on the respiratory system, including the lungs, airways, breathing disorder, and it deals with the diagnosis, treatment, and prevention of lung-related disease. So, kani pulmonology is nag-study sila about sa ato ang lungs. So, lungs, airways, and breathing disorder.